Hello fellow entrepreneurs, this is Augustine from Business Rocket, and today we're going to discuss filing your articles of organization for your Florida LLC. We'll cover the associated costs and what information it actually includes, so let's get into the basics. Filing your articles of organization. Your articles of organization is the official formation document for your LLC, filed with the Florida Division of Corporations. Your filing fee is going to be $125, and this can be broken down into $100 for the articles and $25 for registered agent designation. You can file this online at sunbiz.org. Now, the articles include your company name, principal office address, registered agent information, and the management structure for your entity, which can be member managed or manager managed, depending on your preference. Now, once this is filed, congratulations, your LLC is officially legally created in Florida. If you need help with anything mentioned, we can definitely provide assistance at businessrocket.com and fully form your Florida LLC for you. We offer many different options, including our free starter package to help get you set up as soon as possible the right way. If you found any of this to be helpful, we'd greatly appreciate if you like, subscribe, share, and as always, stay tuned because we're going to be rolling out a lot more content to help you along your business journey. Until next time.